Most people in America work hard every day, but still struggle with money. The problem is not effort. The problem is income streams. In this video, you'll learn how ordinary people in the USA build multiple income streams, even without rich parents, fancy degrees, or big investments. What is an income stream? An income stream is any source of money that puts cash into your pocket regularly. Most people depend on only one income, their job. That's risky. If that job disappears, income disappears. Smart people build 2, 3, or even 5 income streams. Examples: salary, freelancing income, online business, investments, digital products. Why one income is dangerous. In the USA, millions of people live paycheck to paycheck. One medical emergency, one layoff, one recession, and everything collapses. That's why rich people don't ask, "How much do I earn?" They ask, "How many income streams do I have?" Active versus passive income, 6:30 to 9:30. Small blue diamond active income. You work, you get paid. Examples: job, freelancing, consulting. Small blue diamond passive income. You build once, earn again and again. Examples: YouTube, affiliate marketing, digital products, investments. The goal is simple. Use active income to build passive income. 5 real income streams people use in the USA, 9:30 to 15:30. Key cap 1. Freelancing skills. Skills like video editing, writing, design, AI tools. People pay for results, not degrees. Key cap 2. YouTube and content creation. Faceless channels earn thousands just by solving problems and sharing value. Key cap 3. Affiliate marketing. You recommend products. You earn commissions. No inventory. No support. Key cap 4. Digital products. Ebooks, templates, courses. Created once, sold forever. Key cap 5. Simple investments. Stocks, ETFs, dividends. Money working while you sleep. Common mistakes people make, 15:30 to 17:30. Mistake number 1. Trying everything at once. Mistake number 2. Quitting too early. Mistake number 3. Chasing fast money instead of skills. Real wealth is built slowly. But you don't need to be rich to start. You need to start to become rich. Build one extra income stream this year, then another. That's how ordinary people build extraordinary lives. Subscribe for more money, mindset, and side hustle strategies.